U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP, is the agency within the U.S. Department of Homeland Security responsible for securing the United States borders and facilitating legitimate trade and travel. Serving as the front line of one of the world's top travel destinations, CBP enforces and administers U.S. immigration and customs laws at 329 U.S. ports of entry. The majority of travelers from air, land, and sea are screened immediately upon entering the United States. CBP must accurately verify visitors during the inspection process through the collection of biographic and biometric information. This includes name, date of birth, and fingerprints. Upon exit from the U.S., CBP uses biographic data that is compared to entry data to ensure compliance with the terms of admission. In order to meet the rising demands of air travel, CBP wants to increase its capacity to process travelers upon entry, as well as potentially verify a visitor's identity with biometrics as a part of the exit process from the U.S. Ultimately, CBP's multi-layered inspection process must be conducted in a way that minimizes impact to travelers while still ensuring border security. In a collaborative partnership, CBP and the Department of Homeland Security's Science and Technology Directorate, or S&T, are working together at the Maryland Test Facility to address these critical capability needs by evaluating solutions for potential use as additional tools in CBP's multi-layered entry and exit systems. Given the complexity of its mission, CBP continuously seeks ways to optimize its resources to combat evolving threats to the nation, to include evaluating emerging technologies. This partnership, known as the APEX Air Entry Exit Re-Engineering Project, is designed to address CBP's need to expedite traveler screening through U.S. ports of entry. Emerging biometric technologies and screening processes will be explored and evaluated to transform not only exit from, but entry to the United States, and to identify the most cost-effective and usable solutions. The project team is a multidisciplinary partnership with CBP, including operators in the field, S&T, the air industry, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, and other biometric and human systems engineering experts. S&T will lead the first phase of this project, which will take place at the Maryland Test Facility, which provides a controlled, reconfigurable environment for scenario-based testing. Since any changes to current CBP processes have the potential to significantly impact the traveling public, volunteers from the general public will interact with the technologies and provide feedback on the experience. Various testing stations will be evaluated, including entry processing and biometric collection at an outbound boarding gate, mobile collection, and centralized collection. DHS will work closely with all government partners and the private sector to better understand the challenges and impacts of current operations and any proposed changes. It is critical that any potential solution not only meets the mission need to secure the entry-exit system, but also supports the travel process and minimizes the impact on the traveling public.